Saint Francis had a beautiful prayer for all of us. Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Let's put it this way. Lord, where there is hatred, let me see love. Where there is injury, let me see pardon. Where there is darkness, let me see the light. Where there is sadness, let me see joy. Lord, help me to seek not so much to be understood, but to understand. Baka ikaw palaging misunderstood mode. Di nyo ako naintindihan, di nyo alam. How about you understanding them naman? Then you have risen above the hurts and the pain. To be loved as to love. Baka yun naman, to be loved mode. Hindi niya ako minamahal, hindi niya ako pinapansin. Parang, why don't you say, let me love? This is what we ask the Lord. Kasi marami pong sitwasyon sa buhay natin na hindi na natin mababago. Marami mga taong hindi natin mababago. Baguhin mo ang sarili mo. Baguhin mo ang pananaw mo. This is what the Lord is telling us. Help me to see, Lord.